Hi guys, today we are at Auto Style World Expo and this is their off-road arena. Abhi, let me show you some cool cars they have. So starting with the Scorpio, I think the mods are mostly cosmetic on this one and just come down here, cameraman please come down here. So I like the alloys in general but I don't like the वो off-road वाला vibe नहीं आ रहा है. It's my personal opinion. आपको बता दो. Next up we have a car and I love this car भाई. Show him the alloys. भाई इतने बढ़िया से अलॉयज है, ब्राउन अलॉयज है, इट लुक्स सो डैम गुड. इधर सही से आ जाओ. हाँ 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 ऐसे ही और इस पे प्रोमैन का एक बम्पर गार्ड लगा हुआ है एंड इट लुक्स लाइक क्रेजी. लाइक वो लोहे वाले गाड़ी होते हैं ना वैसा वाला सीन होके रखा है. तो इट लुक्स सो डैम गुड. एंड आल्सो इट हैज गॉट ऑक्स लाइट्स एज वेल. So that's pretty cool. Also, I think it has got some setup for the tent as well. He probably will install a tent in future, but so cool. Next up, we have this chimney. I don't know why people are going for this font. And this obviously Suzuki, and it has also got a Proman front bumper, and it's got aux lights as well. I think the headlights are upgraded as well, or maybe not. And then we've got a set of वो क्या बोलते हैं भूल गया मैं नाम. Roof rails, but differently oriented. And then we have the alloys. Alloys are looking pretty cool as well. These are beefier tires. I don't know what is the exact section, but bro, this looks so damn good. This looks so damn good. आगे चलते हैं. We have a Hilux as well. Yeah, obviously off-road का बात कर रहे हैं तो it doesn't make sense to ignore the Hilux, right? So it is obviously crowd magnet. And yes, it has also got a Proman wala bumper, and then you have aux lights in there as well. These are fog lamps actually. I think they are upgraded as well, and you have got pretty beefy wheels, and I think it has got a bit of a lift kit as well. So that's it, and you have got footrest as well. And at the back there are other upgrades as well, and you have a total roof rail setup from Roman as well, bro. The accessories on this stuff is crazy. Hello. Okay, next up we have this another chimney. This is also red, and this has got some this has got Bimbra's bumper guard bumper, you can say bumper, iron bumper, and then it has got a snorkel as well, which is great. It is also a great car in terms of water weighting capacity, but adding a snorkel makes it just way cooler and more capable. And apart from that, you have got lovely, I love this wheels, man. These are also matching the car. You have red inserts on the wheels, so these are also matching the car's looks, and it's so damn cool. And you have also got a jerry can as well at the back. And then we move on to another car. Car is the national car right now. So this is also got a Bimbra 4x4 bumper, and it has got a few aux lights as well. It has got a snorkel, and you have some cool tires. Although I'm not a big fan, but let me know how you like it. Apart from that, भाई और क्या है? डोर इंचेस भी है. सब कुछ अपग्रेड करने लिखे हैं. हाँ हाँ हाँ. And last but not the least, we have another car, which is called Rock Suspension, and it has got, I don't know which company. It is from States Adventure. हाँ, Rocks Adventure, some company named Rocks Adventure, but it looks road damn cool. There are some fake wood scopes as well, but it looks cool, but I don't find it very interesting. So yeah. Also, the cool thing in this one is that just come around. You have this ladder as well, which is something we haven't seen in a lot of other cars, so that is another cool part. And also this has got the stock alloys, and they are pretty cool as well. Apart from that, I think they have got the tail lamps also upgraded, and this looks cool as well. So that's it. That's all about the off-road section we have in Auto Style Expo.